Bonjour à tous, soyez les bienvenus à ma classe. Que Dieu vous bénisse. Hello everyone, welcome to my class. May God bless you. Okay, so today we are going to be looking at l'alphabet français. L'alphabet français, French alphabet. If you could remember, I told you we are going to be starting from the scratch. So we're starting with this. So let's look at the letters we have in French alphabet. Let's look at how they are written, how they are pronounced, the similarities and the differences between French and English alphabets, how to spell our names in French, and a song. It's a long line, right? No, don't worry. I know it's a long list, but then we are going to dismantle it now. Okay, so let's go on. Vous êtes prêts? Are you ready? Okay, allons-y, let's go there. Let's start with the letters we have in French alphabets. The first one, right? The letters we have in French alphabets are 26 in numbers. French alphabet consists of 26 letters, just the same way we have it in English. That's alphabet. Let's move to the second one. How are these letters written? How are these letters written? They are written just the same way the letters we have in English alphabet are written. That's out of the equation. Now let's move to how they are being pronounced. How are these letters pronounced? Now, écoutez et répétez après moi. Listen and repeat after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, so we've come to the end of the pronunciation of these letters. Now, let me ask questions. How is V pronounced in French? V. Now, how is O and P pronounced in French? O, P. O, P, not O-P-O. Okay, lastly, how is G and J pronounced in French? How are they pronounced in French? G is pronounced J, while J is pronounced J. G and J. Okay, so now let's move to the similarities between the French and English alphabets. What are the similarities? One, we all know that they are both 26 in numbers. Then we also know that they are written the same way. What else? Then to the last one, we know that, do we know? Some letters are actually pronounced the same way. Some letters are pronounced the same way. We have about 6 of them. We have F, L, M, N, O, and S. They are pronounced the same way. Okay, so let's move to the differences between these two alphabets. Let's move to the differences between the two alphabets. We all know that not all are pronounced the same way, right? We know. But then let's just deal with the major difference, which is in English we have 21 consonants, right? And 5 vowels. 5 vowels. We have A, E, I, O, U. But then in French language, we have 20 consonants and 6 vowels. 20 consonants and 6 vowels. We have the 5 we have in English vowels and one other one. We have A, E, I, O, U, and one other one, which is not H. I know you were going to say H. It is Y. Y. Y is a vowel in French. Okay, now, so let's move to how we spell our name in French. Moi, je m'appelle Keziah. You can call me Keziah, you can call me Kezia. Okay, so I want to spell my name. K-E-Z-E-A-H. K-E-Z-E-A-H. Now, you have to spell yours. I'm watching you. Okay, so let's move to the last part, which is a song that will help us to remember the French alphabets. Is that taken? Okay, so écoutez attentivement. Listen carefully. Don't mind the voice. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So that's the song. You're not going to upload myself. Upload the scene. Okay, so we've come to the end of the class. I hope you've learned something. Okay, if you really learned something, I want you to like this, subscribe, and click on the notification bell. Au revoir, à bientôt, see you soon.